YouTube scrolling and I see that this girl that I follow, her name was Hello Corey, and she's talking about her creative projects and how she brainstorms and like comes up with ideas for graphic design. And I was like, why don't I do that for like photography? Because I do have photo shoots coming up, and sorry, I just wanted to show you like my whole process with it. Okay, so far I have 2 models. One is named Valerie and the other one is Naya. I'm gonna go to like some trail type scenery because that's what I want to work with. I want to work with more greenery and I want to make it moody. Never done that before. If you know me, I'm a colorful person, and with my photography I like true to colors. I add pinks in there, little teal, not teal, what's it called, turquoise in there, and then I add blues, and yeah, I keep the cool colors in there, right? Some photos that I found on Pinterest that are like my inspiration. This is one of them. As you can see, there's like a field and just a girl in the picture. Super pretty, love it so much. But I'm gonna go ahead and create a Pinterest board right now, and you're just gonna watch me do my whole process thing. Let's go on Pinterest. Like, this is really pretty, a lot of greenery, simple girl. One of the girls that I'm working with, she is black, so we're gonna take advantage of that. So we have this going on, a lot of greenery, so pretty. But I'm gonna save this to a separate Pinterest board, so we're just gonna create a board. We're gonna do greenery, CO, shoot, CO for Colorado. I'm gonna make this secret so no one can see it. And yeah, that's the first one. Look at that, wow. Okay, now let's keep going. Ooh, this is pretty. Gonna save that. I like this one. Of course, I'm gonna find more with various races because I'm not racist. But something like this is pretty. Let me see. I don't wanna, ooh, this is nice. I like this. Really pretty. Ooh, I like this a lot. Very motivated or very inspired by something, and I just run with it. So I run with it. I go on Facebook or I go on Instagram and I post on my stories, hey, does anybody want to shoot? Any photographers want to collab or any models want to collab? And then I just post it and I wait. Set up a location, a time, day, you know, I just start communicating with them regularly, not every day, but like I'll just reach out and be like, hey, do you need anything? Or do you need any props? Do you need hair inspo, outfit inspo, you know, just any inspo at all. And usually they know what I'm going for from the pictures that I send. Like my creative process. 1, I go crazy from motivation, inspiration, all that. 2, reach out to people, preferably models. I go ahead and do my communication with them and all that. And then 4, plan it, make my Pinterest board, send it to them. And then 5, we do the shoot. Real easy, simple peasy, okay? It's easy for me.